Well, this is it. It is the final day of our 7-day river cruise. We are in Wessenufer, yeah, which is a small town right on the border of Austria and Germany. This is not a planned stop. We were supposed to be docked in Passau, but water levels were too high and the ship cannot get up there, and there's no, I guess the docking area is actually underwater, so we had to dock here and they're going to bus us to our destination. So things worked out really well despite all the water level challenges that the ship has faced this week. We really didn't miss out much in the way of any excursions or anything. There's maybe been a few more bus trips involved than there would have been normally, but like I said, we didn't miss out on anything, and the ship and the crew did an excellent job of keeping us informed of how things were being changed as the itinerary had to change, and they did it in a way that I'm sure involved a lot of frantic work behind the scenes, but it just went as smooth as possible from a perspective of a guest on board. So that has been really, really good. And after today, we head to Prague for, I guess it's 3 days or something like that. I've lost track at this point. And then it will be the journey home. But our last full day here aboard the Alma Magna. Buses are already starting to arrive to take us into Passau.
Because of 10 long days of training in summer 2013, and because of the two rivers are meeting here in Passau, because of it's so narrow, the water has to rise in between the houses.
that's going to wrap it up from Passau, Germany.